Hello, students. My name is Professor Waugh, and I've been teaching college chemistry for over 31 years. Today, we're working off of our last video about Type 1 nomenclature. Make sure to pay attention and take notes because we're getting straight into the problems. Let's start class. Feeling anxious about taking chemistry this semester? Tired of boring pre-recorded online courses? Well, we here at A Friend in Chem are hosting a chemistry bootcamp this fall. Over the semester, for only $50 a week, you'll learn the equivalent of a full college introductory chemistry course through engaging, live instruction, and real-time support. We hold classes every Saturday for 14 weeks, ensuring that you know and understand the material. So let us help you build confidence and go through the school year well prepared. Enroll today and make this fall a chemistry success. Now, let's balance the charges. If you've got sodium chloride, then you know sodium ion has a +1 charge. The chloride ion has a -1. So I have the same number of positives as negatives. So when I put it together, you just write NaCl. And do not put charges on my compounds. I get so angry with that. Never, ever, ever put charges on the compounds. Why? Because a compound is electrically neutral. Let's look at the second example. Lithium sulfide. Now, you know that lithium has a +1 charge. We just went through that. You know that the sulfide ion has a 2 negative. I've got to have the same number of positive charges as negative charges. So I can put a big number in front to balance those charges. Do you see that red 2 in front of lithium? All I got to do is say that 2 times that positive charge. That will give me 2 positives in this formula, and that 1, which you don't write. You don't write that 1. That's called a coefficient. Big numbers are called coefficients. That 1 times the -2 for the sulfide, that's a -2. So, I got the same number of positives as negatives. Bam! We can put it together. Take the big number, which we call coefficients, and make them the itty-bitty number right behind the atom, which we call the subscript. All right, let's look at this formula, Ca2C. So let's break this thing down. What is Ca? I know you know that that's the calcium ion, and that's a metal. And we know that you know that C is what? A nonmetal. So we know that charge, group number -8. So we would get a -4. But we put the 4 first, then the charge, okay? So in order to balance the charge, you take the charge times the big number that you can put there, called the coefficient. And then what you can do is then balance your charges. So 2 times the 2 plus for calcium ion will give you a total of 4 plus. When you look at the carbide, you have 1 of those. So we say 1 times the 4 minus, and we know that's a -4. Hark! We got the same number of positives as negatives. We just put it together. That's how we got that Ca2C. And what would be the name? Easy for you. Calcium carbide. Thank you for attending class. Since everything in today's lecture has already been covered, there's no need for a recap. Instead, I'd like to leave you with this. If you found this lesson helpful, you'll find even more resources on our website. We offer downloadable worksheets, our semester-based chemistry bootcamp, and a science journal to accompany our published book for young readers. If you're interested in taking your chemistry learning even further, visit afriendinchem.com to see everything that we offer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Once again, thank you so much for watching. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, our children's book, Now I'm a Chemist Too, is available on Amazon Kindle. You'll find the link in the description below. Here at A Friend in Chem, we want you to be successful in chemistry, enjoy chemistry, and have fun with chemistry. Thanks again for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.